Michael took 6.7 seconds to run the 50 meters. He calculated the time to be approximately 241 minutes, 0.1117 hour, 0.117 minutes, 0.7345 hour. So first what I will do, I will change second to minutes. If I don't have solution, I will check next the minute, seconds to hour. But first, let's change the seconds to minutes. We know that 1 minute is 60 seconds. So if I rewrite 60 seconds, let me write this: 1 minute is equal 60 seconds. I can write that this is 60 times 1 second. 60 times 1 second is 60 seconds. I didn't change anything. But now, from this equation, when I divide by 60, both sides, I will have how much is 1 second. So I will divide both sides by 60. And what I will have, 60 and 60 we will reduce, and we have that 1 second is 1 minute over 60. And now let's come back to what we have given. We have that Michael took 6.7 seconds. So I can rewrite that this is 6.7 seconds. So I can write that this is times 1 second. Again, I didn't change anything. 6.7 times 1 second is 6.7 seconds. And now 6.7 I copy, and 1 second I change to this form. So it will be times 1 minute over 60. And now what will be? We have to multiply this number by this fraction. So 6.7 times 1 minute, so will be 6.7 minute over 60. So this is equal, I can use calculator, 6.7 divided by 60. So this is equal, because the solutions we have here to the 4th digit after the semicolon, so I will round my number which I got to the 4 digits. So this is 6. After 6 I have again 6, so I need to add 1 to the first 6, so it will be 7. So this is equal 0.1117 minute. I change seconds to minutes, and we see that we have here the same solution. 3 is our solution. I don't need to change now minutes to hours because I already found the solution.